2023 has unfolded as one of the most interesting and valuable chapters. It's significantly marking my entry into the realm of business and entrepreneurship. This year has been one of my most interesting years. This is because I understood that there was another way of making money, and that was through online. And one of my first notable milestones was getting my $20 bill. This milestone was a sign of progression. It was a sign of determination. It was a motivation that helped me power through to the year, making a couple hundred sales. I felt like this year taught me a lot of things. It taught me the real hard way of sales. It taught me about why you should start a personal brand. And it taught me about the most important part of my year, copywriting. Without copywriting, I wouldn't have got my $20 bill. I wouldn't have started my SSME. And hell, I wouldn't have started my business at all. As we're starting 2024, I've decided to lay out two business plans that I want to walk path by the end of next year. I'm looking at this video thinking about this video. I will look back at the end of 2024, and I want to give you guys a chance of writing it down, writing two goals that you should complete by the end of this year. It could be as small as doing 50 push-ups a day, as big as making $1 million. My goals are simple. I want to start my SSMA agency again. As my agency has got shut down due to legal issues this November, I needed to start it up again. And when is the right time? Starting it now. And I want to document it on YouTube every week of the year, written down. I want to share it with you guys. Then at the end, you can decide whether this model is suitable for you or not. Because it's a very hard niche to get in. I'm going to be sharing both my wins and my fails. The second business I want to start is a watch brand. I want to start a watch brand because it's unique. It has some significance. It's a skill. And you could raise it so much value and prestige. A watch brand is something that I've dreamed of as a kid. I've always into watches. My whole family owns watches. You should own some watches too. These are my goals. I hope you make some goals too. Because a goal is a pathway to success. You never ask a man how he got rich if he didn't have a goal to get rich. Everybody starts off with a dream, then it turns to a goal, then they find a plan that makes it a goal. You should start one too. Start now.